Raphael D'Costa from what I would say Chandor. Age is 87. The first exposition I attended was in 1952, and when the bishops lifted up the body of St. Francis Xavier, I saw that P, very agua benta used to say, so that collapsed, and I was right at the door, and that was the first time it seems the exposition was held in 1952. That I remember. Then after 2 years, I went to Mozambique. So 30 years in Mozambique, I worked there. Then I have retired. Of course, I had to support the Africans, the locals. I have to surrender my job. Back came to India. So I am here in Goa again since 1985. And now I am staying in Chandor. That's all I remember. And today I can't walk very fast. However, St. Francis Xavier and my faith with God, I think it helped me to walk such a long distance. Thank you very much.